On those 3 years, 2017, 18, 19, my agency went from 4 kids in a kitchen to 80 staff that we have today.
Wow.
Sometimes you don't realize what happens around your world and what you build. In my case, I discovered ManyChat in 2017 as I was looking into opportunities. I am obsessed with not creating opportunities, but writing opportunities that already exist. And I created the agency called AGM, which is what we still have today and has grown quite a bit. At that point, it was literally 4 of us in my kitchen. And this was 2017. And you know that bot that won the most engaging bot in 2019, Dr. Berg's bot that has like 1 million subscribers on it and it's an absolute powerhouse? That bot was built with these 2 hands right here in that kitchen in 2017 as you guys were barely taking off. We didn't have like the ability to build a flow, the flow builders, none of that stuff, but I still built something that was incredibly special. The point is that for the next 3 years, yes, I'm not only a ManyChat marketer. I gotten away from being branded as a bot builder. I happen to be really good at bot building, but I am a marketer senior to everything else. I'm a marketer. On those 3 years, 2017, 18, 19, my agency went from 4 kids in a kitchen to 80 staff that we have today.
Wow.
Obviously, like we have all kinds of businesses. We have e-commerce businesses. We did over $100 million in 2020 in e-commerce only. The point is that throughout this entire growth, ManyChat has been a sidekick of mine. So it's no mystery that you guys have recognized what I've done. You reached out to me and asked me to build the Daymond John bot and this guy and that other one along the way because I really took it to heart. I think that's an interesting little story for you because, you know, from 4 guys in a kitchen to 80 staff, and we're about to open a brand new building that we've been remodeling for 1.5 years, and ManyChat being my go-to tool. I'm talking about not ClickFunnels, not Shopify, not this one. ManyChat has been, because I'm a big fan of list building. I'm a big fan of like conversations, providing value. If you look at some of the most successful brands that I built, they're all centered around a unicorn like you, Mike, that they know how to produce value and they know how to educate and give something first before they ask for things. And ManyChat was like just the dream platform. Again, it's something that I haven't talked about, how ManyChat has been by my side along the way, and I made it a requirement for every single account that I manage to have some kind of like, you gotta have a presence in the world of messenger marketing. And in 2019, when the world was panicking because Facebook Messenger was gonna disappear from the universe and the 24-hour rules and all that pandemonium, I got super pumped because as usual, you guys stepped above the crowd and you got proactive, which is something that I admire so much, and I never told you directly, Mike, but the ability that you have, the ability to recognize a change that might damage your marketing strategies and just come up with something that is gonna overtake that. In 2019, you guys came up with the SMS, came up with the email, and I just went all in, and we became omni-channel. And it was, for all those years, it was messenger marketing, right? And now, messenger, the way that I explain it to people, it's like, it's just the via into this world. That's all it is. It is still the most seamless process to get somebody into your world. But if you're not doing chat marketing and you're doing messenger marketing, you're missing out on what the true value of ManyChat is all about, right? Anyways, that's my story that I thought it would be a good story for you to tell to the world.